If this isn't the K-Beauty advent calendar of all K-Beauty advent calendars, then I don't know what is, because this is Olive Young's first ever advent calendar and I have it here right with me. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's inside and I don't really know the pricing detail as of right now, because while I'm filming no one knows about this. All I do know is that it's available from the 8th of December to the 14th for only black and gold tier members. They even sent me this gigantic bag as well, but all the products I believe is going to be from the 2024 Olive Young Awards, which this is so perfect because I've been waiting for this list to come out and then doing a video on Best of Olive Young 2024. So I think I'm gonna have all the products for that video, so I'm super excited. I have no idea what's inside. There is actually a pamphlet in here that like shows the products, but I'm not trying to look at it because I just want to be surprised. I want to be surprised with you guys. So with that being said, let's unbox and unveil what is in Olive Young's first ever advent calendar. Let me just tell you, it is massive, guys. This is a really big box. So she opens up like this. Ooh, number one is down here. What is the first product? So the first product is from COSRX. It's the Retinol 0.1 cream. I haven't tried this out before and I really do need to introduce retinol into my skincare routine, but it kind of scares me. But this seems a little bit more gentle, so curious to try that out. One thing about this box, it is really hard to get the products out. Number two, this one's a little bit skinnier. Ooh, it kind of looks like makeup. Ooh, okay, this is from Wake Make. It's the soft blurring eye palette. I actually do have one of these and I didn't really love the formula. So this one is a number 4 lavender blurring. These shades are so pretty and perfect for my summer cool palette, so I'm excited to try this out. Again, I'm going to be doing a best of Olive Young 2024 with a lot of these products, so I definitely will be testing this out and trying it. Then on to number 3. Let me see if I can even get this out. Day 3, we have a lip oil, honey and milk lip oil from the brand Apu. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before, nor have I seen this lip oil, but it does look promising because the applicator looks really chubby and I love a lip oil that is like that, so I'm excited to try this out as well. Day 4, this one feels pretty heavy. I feel like it might be a toner pad. Am I right? I am correct. It is a toner pad. This is, ooh, this is the Mediheal blemish pad. Their pads have been so popular this year. I can totally see why this is in here. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think this will be great for times where I'm having a lot of breakouts, so I'm excited to have this and try it out as well. Number 5. Is anything gonna fall? Day 5. Yes. This is from Asteria. It's their Auto Barrier 365 cream. I actually did an ad with them for TikTok and I love the cream. I've already finished it and I've been thinking about repurchasing it. So I'm really glad that I got it in the advent calendar. This is really great for just restoring your skin's barriers. I'm so excited about this and I'm so excited to have it in my skincare routine again. I've been meaning to repurchase, so I'm glad. I'm so glad. Okay, then number 6 is like right here. Are things gonna fall? Okay, they're all holding up. Number 6, a little bit smaller. Maybe it'll be makeup. Oh, I am right. How did I know? And this is another product that I love. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is from the brand The Same. It's their Cover Perfection Triple Pot Concealer in number 1 Correct Beige. I actually already own one myself and I absolutely love it. You get a salmon color for correcting, the green for correcting any blemishes, and then you get a skin tone color. The pigmentation on this is really great. Day 7, let's see what we get. Ooh, okay, we get supplements as well. This is from Foodology and this is the tablets. I actually have tried this as well with my own money. The brand has sent me some as well. Personally, I haven't seen much of a difference with it, but I will say I wasn't dieting, I wasn't exercising, so it's like, what was I really expecting? But I definitely will try this out again and see how it goes. I actually already have a lot of this in my cabinet, so it's good that I get another restock, but you really do get a variation foundation in this advent calendar. I wasn't expecting that. I was only expecting skincare and makeup. Day 8, let's see. Okay, this is the Cleo Lash Super Proof Mascara. It's a 1+1. So you get 2 mascaras in here, which is so good. Everything has been full size so far, you guys. And then here is day 9. Let's see. Oh, there's 2 products in here. So we get the Round Lab sunscreen and then also a mini as well. That is honestly so good. Like, when do you get 2 items in one little box in any other advent calendar, right guys? Like, this is so good. So 1 for travel, 1 for daily. I actually already own this as well. I used it today and I really do like the sunscreen. So 2 in 1 box, so good. Then on to day 10. This one feels a bit heavy. Ooh. Okay, I've heard so many good things about this brand, ENQUIRIES. This is their ceramide toe lotion. Is this a body lotion or face lotion? Because it's massive. It's really massive, but I've heard so many great things about this brand. I'm really excited to try this one out. Day 11, it's a really big box, but it feels like nothing's inside. Yeah. So this is the Cleo Sharp So Simple Waterproof Pencil Liner in #1 black. I mean, I love a good gel liner, so I'll have to test this one out and see. It looks quite creamy. We'll have to test that one out for the video. Now we are on to 12 over here. I think this is gonna fall. Oh no. Okay, it's about to fall, so it's time to lay it down. I should have probably set it up like this to begin with, but that's okay. Let's move on to number 12. This one also feels a little bit heavy too. Ah! I was literally looking at this last night. It's from Labo H. It's their hair loss care shampoo. I lose so much hair, okay? Like, this is why I can't turn to the side, because and if this will help with my hair loss, I will be forever grateful. So I'm really, really excited. I'm gonna test this out right away. We have another product in here. It's a mini one. You get a mini version in here too. Wait. Okay, I don't know the pricing of this advent calendar as of right now as I'm filming. It will really depend on the pricing and how much value you are getting from this. But I think everything has been full size. You get a mini with it. Like, that is so good. Let's go on to 13. I have a feeling this is gonna be makeup, and I'm always right. This is from Romand. It's the Juicy Lasting Tint in #3 Bare Grape. I actually also already own this, but I heard they redid their packaging. I'm not sure if the formula is the same, but let me see what the new packaging looks like. I'm curious. Ooh, the packaging is really pretty, the new packaging. I actually quite like this more, but Bare Grape is iconic. I think it won last year as well. And then in this corner here, we have 14. This is from Too Cool for School. It's the Art Class by Rodin Contour and #1 classic. This one is so extremely popular. I'm sure you have seen this before, but this is a #1. I think it's about time that I try this because I've been putting it off for a while. You get 3 different shades, but it does seem quite warm for contour. Now on to 15. I think it's a sheet mask. Okay, just 1 sheet mask, but this is the Torridon Dive In mask. I've been meaning to try this out. I love a good sheet mask, so this is going to be nice for me to enjoy. Obviously, I can't tell how well it works over 1 try, but I've heard really great things about it, and I have tried the serum. I do like the serum. It's very hydrating, so excited to try this out. A little sheet mask. Now we have 16. We get 2 products in here again. So what is this? A gift for Harry. This is Ideal for Men Perfect All-in-One Anti-Wrinkle. It's a collagen and retinol calming formula. So you get the full size and then you get the mini. Then we have 17, a very special number. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum with ginseng and retinol. I also already own this and I have tried it because I've heard people say like it helps with dark circles. personally, I haven't seen any difference in it, but it has been really popular, so I get why. Again, it's in here. Now it's time for 18. Ooh, this is a big one. This is so perfect because I've been needing this. I literally just ran out of my own. This is the Aromatica Balancing Feminine Wash, and it comes with a refill as well, you guys. This is so good. Literally, I just finished mine. I'm so happy. This is what it looks like. This is going straight into my shower. Now let's go on to 19. And you guys, I'm realizing now that this goes up to 31. It doesn't go up to 24. It's a 31-day advent calendar. That is insane. Okay, we have 2 products in here as well. It's from Round Lab and it's their toner. So you get the regular size, but you also get a mini size as well. Like, how many products are in here, you guys? This is crazy. Now let's go on to 20. This is so much fun, you guys. This is, I feel like, the best advent calendar ever. Oh, I've heard really great things about this too. It's from JUDY. It's their Vita C Dark Spot Serum. I've seen this all over Olive Young's page. Like, if you go to bestseller, this is always at the front. So we do have the full size and we do have a mini as well. This is too much. This is too much. I feel like the price point on this might be a little bit more expensive because the value is just insane. Then we have 21. This one feels a little bit heavy too. Don't even. This is my favorite conditioner right now, you guys. I'm literally using this in the shower. I literally just finished this and now I'm using the other scent and now I have a backup. I didn't even go buy shampoo or conditioner now. This is perfect, you guys. This is so good, you guys. This makes your hair feel like you just came out of salon. I'm so excited to film my next video for you guys. Then we have a 22, which I'm hoping it's gonna be makeup. I feel like we haven't really gotten that many makeup. There's a lot of skincare. I thought it was another sheet mask, but this is a pimple patch, which is great. I haven't tried this brand before, so I'm always curious to try other pimple patches. 23 is the Anua Heartleaf 70 Soothing Cream. I think I might actually already own this as well. I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna try it out for my next video. And another thing I love about this advent calendar is that we do have a mix of everything. Like, we haven't gotten like double of the same type of products, but also the brands. It's like a whole range of brands. 24. Okay, interesting. This is from Philly Millie and it's their detailed Tong Tong Puff. I love cushion puffs like this, you guys. I got one in Korea from Olive Young. Use it like literally all the time, so I'm glad I have another one now. I love this, you guys. The products are so good and I'm not even just saying that. It comes with its own little casing. So this is like these really like puffy cushion puffs. I love these. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. It feels so soft. 25. Let's see, what is this? Okay, it's also from Anua as well, so I guess we do have some crossover. But this is their serum capsules. Wow, I've never tried anything like this before. Oh, I'm curious. Okay, I'll have to like research a little bit more into that, but nice. Then we have 26. Let's see. I want more makeup, guys. I love the skincare, but yes, we have more makeup. So this is from Wake Make. It's their Any Proof Pen Eyeliner. Ooh, and it is a 1+1. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. It is a felt tip eyeliner. Now it's time for 27. I have a feeling this will also be makeup as well. Ooh, this is something small. This is something I feel like is a little bit of a dud in the advent calendar. I personally won't get any use out of it, but it is from Philly Millie. It's the Slim Head Eyebrow Razor. I'm not gonna complain because so far this has been beyond my expectations. The fact that we are getting 31 days of products, and it's not even 31 products because in some boxes you get, it's like 1+1, so I'm not gonna complain, okay? There had to be one bad day, and this was a one bad day, and that's okay. Then we have 28. I turned 28 this year, so I have a feeling this might be a good one. This might be a good one. We get 2 products again. This is from Mano. It's the Pure Cleansing Oil. So again, you get the full size, but you get the mini travel size as well. I actually already own this. I think I've used it a few times, but I'm gonna reuse it again to refresh my memory, but I know this is very popular, like a very popular cleansing oil. And you get two, guys, you get two. Last final few, we have 29. This is again from Philly Millie. It's their silicone lip and cheek brush. If you guys have seen the Fui silicone brush, it's pretty much essentially the same thing, so that's nice how they have their own version. That brush did sell out really quickly from Fui, so that's amazing. Love to see that, like how we get some brushes in here too. Now we come down to the last final two products, 30 and 31. I wonder how they will finish this off. I mean, so far it really has been so good. So this is number 30. What do we have here? So this is from ILSO. It's the Natural Mild Clear Nose Pat. I actually got another product from them where you scrape off your blackheads. Curious to try this one out, where it's just like a pre-made nose patch. And then lastly, the last day, 31. How will they end this? With a bang, apparently, because this is the #1 cushion in Korea. It's from Jungsemul Essential Skin Nuda Cushion. I guess the only thing about this is the shade, because I got 17 Fair Light and that is just not gonna suit me. Luckily though, I think I do already own this cushion, but this is very popular in Korea. Jungsemul is just like an iconic makeup artist as well. So that was a really nice way to end off the advent calendar, I feel. But you guys, that was the entire advent calendar. We unboxed everything, and wow, truly I'm so shocked because I did not know what was in here, like what to expect. But that was extremely fun to unbox, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the advent calendar if you are planning to purchase. Again, it's going to be available from December 8th to December 14th for black and gold members only. I'll have all links down below as well. I do have an affiliate code with Olive Young, which is YESJUDY5. But I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative, just to see a preview of what you get in here. Again, my next video is going to be best of Olive Young, so I'm going to be testing out a lot of these products. I'm going to like test a lot of these out tonight, but a lot of them I have tried as well, so that video will be out next, and I'll give my opinion on whether I think it is worthy to be on the best of Olive Young 2024 list. With that being said, guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching as always. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.